Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is a message or a video about a scam going on. And Microsoft actually issued a warning because they are detecting a high level of activity coming out of this scam. So what it's all about is that if you work in enterprise and have to deal with the emails of your boss, of your customers, of other employees, and have control over what you can do. And of course, you are one of those that are responsible for purchasing stuff and purchasing anything that your boss might ask you. Well, be very, very careful. Here's the big scam going on right now. You get an email, and they are very professional. What they do is that they actually will do research on not only the company, but the person that they try to impersonate and have you think that it's really that person that you're actually talking to. So there will be hints here and there of things that, you know it's your boss, or it's someone in the organization. You feel comfortable because they had enough details that you kind of know that, kind of think that it's them. And the email will actually either start with a little bit of small talk and then go into what they want to do or demand, or go directly into the subject. The way that they send the email, it spoofs the header. So that means that when you get it, it has the name of your boss, for example. And that makes you even more thinking that it's the person. In reality, it's not. It's an impersonation. The email is fake. And it will ask you to purchase gift cards. And the idea behind it is pretty much always the same. They're saying, oh, well, because of the pandemic, I want to reward the employees. So can you purchase a certain number of gift cards? And then share the gift card codes in the email. Answer back with all the gift card codes, of course, so that you can actually redeem the gift cards. So what happens is that the bad guys on the other end, once they get that, they convert that into either cryptocurrency, or they actually buy some hard cash or currency from countries where it's very difficult to do anything about it. And of course, you have been scammed, and you have actually been, spent company money on something that isn't true. So it's a very, very sophisticated attack, and you can imagine how it's difficult to actually understand and see if what you just got is true or not. So what I recommend, if you do work in a domain where you can take some big decisions with the company's money, when you get something like that, just don't hesitate. Ask your boss, but by creating a new email that you do yourself to your boss or to whoever you've received that from, and ask them if it's true that they actually, you have to purchase this or that, or gift cards, or some, whatever they ask for, just to make sure that it is not a scam. These are so sophisticated today that double check is almost always required because it's too difficult to really see the difference between a fake and a true email. So be on your lookout, because these guys are pretty good at luring you and making you think that maybe your boss needs to have something done. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.